We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hualien County's Fengling Township is rich with Hakka character. The Hakka regard for education is reflected in the fact that many of the area's head teachers, professors, and doctors are from Fengling. The area was named by early Hakka settlers for the large orchids which grew there. The township is famous for delicious snacks like salted roast peanuts in their shells, black bean drinks, and large pastries called cartwheel cookies. Welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Alice 啊，上次你要睡觉，你说这 weekend 的时候你只会睡觉而已。我们现在出去外面好了，好不好 ？Let's go outside. Because last time I asked Alice, what she does during the weekends or whenever she has free time, she says, well, she's lazy and she just sleeps at home. I think she should come out a little bit more. 所以如果我要问人家说，周末啊或假日的时候你要做什么？然后我要说我要去逛街，或跟朋友去逛街，这样怎么说
？OK， 了你想爱做乜嘅？
了你想嘛做乜嘅？
就是放假日的时候想要做什么？了你假日。
During the holidays, what do you want to do?
想爱请朋友去逛街。
想要朋友去逛街。
想爱情
想爱情
就是不是爱情哦，是想要找哦。想爱情
真的有点像爱情想爱情
想爱情
想着爱情想爱情是想要找的意思。
对
OK
朋友去逛
街 which means I will find some friends to go shopping. Alright, so let's break some of the vocabularies down here. 刚刚讲假日是怎么说？
了你
怎么差那么多？
就是人家说了你就是聊应该是说放假日啊假日嘛，了你就是去玩啊，去撩啊，你要去哪里撩啊？你要去哪里玩啊？
那跟张来撩那个撩一样吗？一样的撩吗？懂了，就要去玩的意思。Okay, so it applies to weekends or holidays. 其实周末或者是放假日，
撩你
都是叫撩你，对不对 ？Okay, 那朋友怎么说？
朋友
which is friends. 逛街逛街 shopping. Let's hear that whole sentence one more time.
了你想愛做乜嘅？想愛請朋友去逛街。
There you go. And that's another Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家按字寫張來了。
拜拜。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.